Hello trader, welcome to my Foreskill. Today in this video I am going to analyze GBP/USD. So here in this video I will guide you how to analyze this chart. So here the first one is I am going to tell you about the support resistance because support resistance is important. A horizontal support resistance are drawn. Here this is our support. The price is generally retested at this level, and here it is our resistance. It is also called our psychological level. And here the last one is okay. So our support resistance is done. Now we are watching in the market. Here the price is going in up direction. Then it comes at this support level. It means a price level where the market usually stop falling and bounce back up. After retest, then going to the next resistance. It means a price level where the market usually stops rising and fall back down. Here again market comes at this level, at this support level for the retest, then going to the next resistance. Now here trend is change. Here the trend is downtrend. So that's the reason it comes at this level, at this resistance for the support, then going to the next support level. Okay, so that's the reason this support resistance is very important. Here the price retest, and here I draw this box for more clarity to know about where the price is retest. So after the support resistance, I am going to tell you about the trend. Here you are watching in the market. A trend means the generally direction of market price over a period of times. There are three types of trend. The first one is uptrend. It means here price keeps making higher high and higher low, and it is also called bullish trend. And the second one is downtrend. It means here price keeps making lower highs and lower low. Here trader look for selling opportunities, and it is also called bearish trend. And the last one is sideways trend. Here the price is moving not more much up, not more much down. It's moving in this way. Okay. I also look opportunity to buy when the trend is up and sell when the trend is down. Now here how to identify trend. In this chart you are watching, this is our 8 EMA and this is our 14 EMA. When this 8 EMA crosses offside, so it's called uptrend. Here when 8 EMA crosses offside, so it's called uptrend. And then this 8 EMA crosses 14 EMA downside, so it's called downtrend. Okay. So here you see we are in 1 day time frame of GBP/USD. Our trend is down. Here you see. So that's the reason we are going to analyze downsides. Why trend is important? With the help of trend in trading, it gives higher probability of profits because trend helps to decide entry and exit point. I hope you understand my explanation is understandable for you. In short, a trend is simply to direction of price up, down and sideways. Successful traders follow the trend. Okay. So we are going in 4 hour time frame. Here, I am going to tell you about the structure for downtrend because in 1 day time frame our trend is down. Here, I am going to tell you the structure, how to understand the structure for uptrend or downtrend. So here you see this is our trend line. It shows the trend is up. Now here you see the structure for uptrend is makes higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Okay. So here you see this is the structure for uptrend and it is also called W pattern. Now if we see here downtrend, this is our downtrend, this is our trend line. It shows it is downtrend. Price keeps moving to make lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then going to the lower low. So this is a structure for downtrend. Price keeps going through makes lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. So we also see this is our bearish structure and this is our bullish structure. And it is also called M pattern for downtrend and here W pattern for uptrend. Okay. So now we jump to the into the chart. Here we see the structure for downtrend. Here price keeps making higher high, higher low, higher high. Now here the trend is changed. So that's the reason it's become lower high, lower low, lower high here, then going to the new lower low. Okay. So you see this is a structure for downtrend and it's our also called M pattern for downtrend. Okay. After the structure, I'm going to tell you about the Fibonacci because Fibonacci is very important because price is retest at the level of Fibonacci. Fibonacci is drawn recent lower high to the lower low at this level. Okay. So here you are watching in this chart in this Fibonacci, you see this is all our key levels where the price is retest. But there are common retest level is between 50 to 61% at this level because price is generally retest at this level. Here there are more chances for retest because here it has also our resistance at this level, then our supply zone at this level, then 50 to 61%. Okay, so that's the reason markets reach at this level at this 50%, then going to the target at this level. Okay, so here we are waiting for the confirmation entry. Price is currently moving around here, then it reach at this level, then we should entry. After the confirmation, we entry short position here at this 50% and we set our stop loss here 88% and our target is minus 27%. Okay, so this is our analyze for GBP USD in 4-hour time frame. So after the analysis, I'm going to tell you about my channel. This is my Telegram channel for Skill Premium. Here I provide you daily signal of gold. You see the result and in the end of the day I will give you trade report, how much we profit, how much we loss. And if you want to learn more about trading, then this is my courses. Then 20 plus videos I will provide you where I cover up this all topics. And if you also want my personal mentorship, then join my live mentorship classes. Here me and my team will personally help you step by step to make you profitable trader. We cover up all lessons, like the first one is how to draw support resistance psychological level, and the second how to identify trends and draw a trend line moving average settings. Third one is how to identify structure and ABCD pattern, and fourth one is how to draw Fibonacci's and Fibonacci settings, how to use SL and TP, how to enter the trade, risk management and money management. I'll cover up all these topics. And if you want to join, then text me in for skill support. My team will respond soon. Only few seats are left, so join fast. If my video is helpful for you, like and subscribe my channel.